Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Hi. So I'm here, guys, to do another reaction video to an Army member, and I believe her name is pronounced Maite, Maite Perroni, and this is a C Soy. This is me. I didn't know she also did a rendition to the song as well. So I'm curious to see how it sounds.
Soy ajena a la oscuridad.
Okay, vocals.
Escóndete, me dicen, no te queremos como estás. Y ya aprendí mis cicatrices penadas. Escápate, me dicen, porque así nadie te amará.
Copyright issue, because they're not gonna block my video.
No los dejaré, tenemos un lugar, yo sé.
We are
Somos gloriosos. Con palabras duras me quieren herir.
Come on.
Las voy a inundar y las voy a hundir. Fuerte soy con dolor porque soy quien debo ser. Así soy. Paren porque aquí voy. Si marchando voy a mi propio son.
Come on, girl, vocals.
Sin temor, véanme, no me voy a disculpar. Así soy.
This is me.
Nada más de balas viene a mí. Disparen más, porque ya más penas no voy a permitir. Barricadas vamos a destruir hasta llegar al cielo.
We are glorious.
Es lo que somos hoy. Que me eliminen, no los dejaré. Tenemos un lugar, yo sé.
Give me that high.
Somos gloriosos. Palabras me quieren herir.
She did that.
No los dejaré. Tenemos un lugar, yo sé.
So glorious.
Con palabras duras me quieren herir.
She did that. I loved the part. That part is everything to me that's in the song.
Fuerte soy con dolor porque soy quien debo ser.
This is it.
Paren porque aquí voy. Si marchando voy a mi propio son. Sin temor, véanme, no me voy a disculpar.
This is me. This is me. Oh damn, Zac Efron was in this movie? And Zendaya? Damn, where was I? I didn't see this movie. This is me. That was beautiful. Come on, vocals.
Así es, hay dolor porque soy quien debo ser. Así soy. Paren porque aquí voy. Porque aquí voy. Si marchando voy a mi propio son. Sin temor, véanme, no me voy a disculpar.
This is me. She sounds really good. I'm here for it. This is her. She did that. I am here for it. I think she's still vocally amazing. She sounds really good. Given to come from the group RBD. No offense to her or her band, but she didn't really get too much singing too much in the group RBD to me. But she really do have a really good voice. So this is really good. I didn't know she did her rendition to it. Interesting. I know Kesha did it too, and it was great. She did such a good job. I will add this version to my playlist as well because I like this song. I listened to the Kesha version and this one. I like this song. This is really good. Okay, mate. I see you, mate, over there collecting your coins and check, letting us know that Anne and Dulce and Alfonso and Christian and Christopher ain't the only one out here making money. This was really good, so thanks to everyone who recommended or reacted. I really do like this song. I think she did such a good job on this song. Because certain songs people do, you know, movie production do ask people to do renditions for it, and sometimes people, their renditions like, why this made the CD? But she did such a good job, so thank you for that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, we can make you excited too. I really do appreciate it. Bye.